My name is Ashish Rawat. I have created this dashboard for the fintech companies like Paytm, PhonePe, Google Pay, Amazon Pay, Razorpay, PayU, and so on. This dashboard shows overall performance of company from every different aspect. Now I explain this dashboard in detail. So first of all, I show you the cardinality between the tables. So these are few tables which I connected. So this is my first page which is related to the main KPI. GMV and the transaction are the main KPI for every fintech company. So GMV is in crore and transaction is in thousand. So 7.3 crore is GMV, 6.99 is the settlement value. MDR revenue we are generating is 40,000. Average GMV is around 3,000. Now the overall transaction we did is 96,000. Success transaction is 93. Failed transaction are around 3k. And the average transaction we did every day is 532. Now very important thing I added here, previous month value and previous month growth comparison to the current month. So if I select month June, so for the month of June, total GMV is 1.93 crore, and for the previous months, mean for May month, May is 1.63 GMV, and if we compare growth, then it's 18.53. So I have added this for all the KPI. It shows the very important information of the company, and after that I have put two charts, first for GMV over month and second is transaction over month. Blue color shows the current month. Now I have put some filters like you selected the month. If you want to see the weekend sale, so you can select it, the numbers are overall changed, and same for the category, you can select the specific category like restaurant, so the numbers are changing. Now the second page is related to the state performance. So total state we are running is 29. Top state is Uttar Pradesh on the basis of GMV. Weak state is Jammu and Kashmir. Average state GMV is 24 lakh. And here you can see the top state by GMV and the bottom state by GMV. And you can also see the GMV, previous month GMV, month on month percentage, which is show the growth, transaction, previous month transaction, and month on month growth for the transaction. You can select for the specific month also. For example, if I select the May month, and you can also select for the specific merchant here, then weekday, weekend. So you can see like this. Now the third page is related to the merchant. Total merchant we have 1064, active merchant are 785, non-active merchant are 279, and the top merchant is Deep on the basis of GMV. And here is top 10 merchant by GMV and the bottom merchant by GMV. And you can select the filters from here. You can see the performance of all the merchant here who is growing and who are decreasing the transaction or GMV. The fourth page is the employee performance. Now the total employee we have around 20. Best performance Pooja on the basis of GMV, and you can see also here least performance is Vikram Joshi, and the highest employee GMV is 35 lakh. Now here is best 10 employee by GMV and the least 10 employees by GMV. Here I also put all the information like GMV, previous month GMV, month on month percentage, transaction, previous month transaction, and the overall growth of transaction. Now the last page is other parameter, where I put few visuals which shows the different category wise GMV percentage. It's a payment wise GMV. It shows the card, net banking, and UPI percentage of total. Now the device type GMV, like how many transaction percentage we did through PG, POS machine, and the QR code. Then transaction state wise GMV, how many transaction percentage are success and how many are failed. Then category wise GMV, you can see all the categories percentage are here: medical, grocery, electronics, restaurant. And you can also put the filter from here for seeing the weekday or a weekend sale, or day wise, then month wise, and I have put a single year, so that's why I did not select any year for every page. So this is the overall dashboard. I hope you like it. If you like it, please like and comment.